if you didn't know, I actually have a degree in programming. I also taught myself Python, and I've been staying amongst programming stuff even while I've been doing my digital marketing business. Well, with everything that happened in 2020 and just some other things been going on, I've decided to kind of pivot a little bit in what I've been doing outside of my day job, and still obviously building my business, but doing it in a way that serves those who are looking to build a skill set, looking to maybe change into a new job. And I really believe that the future is in programming and the technical skills. So this video is going to share with you a tool that I'm really excited to start using. I am just sharing with you what it's about and a little bit about how it can help you with your programming. Octer, I hope I said that correctly. I appreciate you sharing that information, but this is not for graphics design. This is for programming, like creating programs or applications in order to like do things for you or for your business. So today I'm sharing with you a tool that is basically, their tagline is the effortless Git GUI for Windows, Mac, and Linux. So if you're new to programming, Git is basically uh, the version control system of most programming that I know of, anyway. I don't know about, yeah, Java too. Yeah. So this is going to be pretty awesome. So first, if you want to see more about this tool, including if you want to um, purchase the lifetime version that I just got, which if you do click on the link on that in this blog article, then it is an affiliate link, which means I may or may not get a portion of the proceeds. So if you do decide to purchase, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Okay, so what I'm about to share with you, this application it has a paid version as well as a free version. And I'm just going to share with you a few key points because it is pretty late for me now, but I wanted to make sure I got this out there. So first of all, why not just use Git? Well, Git Git can be very frustrating, especially for new people. And software developers can literally destroy days of code using Git, and that is so not helpful. And Git is an essential source control system. So source is your source code, like the stuff where it's it's the code that's used. It's the source code. I don't know how. I'll find another word for that, but it's the source code, right? So Git is an essential source control system, but it's tricky, and it's even tricky for senior engineers. Like there's a whole lot, right? Git has over 160 commands and thousands of parameters that you have to remember, or maybe have a cheat sheet or something to do, right? So it can get tricky, it can get frustrating. Let's make things easy, right? Let's just make some programming easy. So that is why you just might not use Git. Now, I still suggest knowing Git because maybe you'll get tested on it in an interview one day. But why, when you have tools that can help you do what you need to do, right? Other than the what I just said. Okay, so another option that it has is a file comparison viewer. So basically, it allows you to compare code side by side before you push or pull or merge the code. If you don't know what all that is, I am going to be hosting a Python basics bootcamp. So let me know down below, or join my mailer, send me an email, contact me on any particular location at processheart.com, and or rather at processheart, and we can chat. But if you, let's say you have a developer and they make a mistake, apparently, according to this company, then they have unequaled rewind facility that they can roll back time with ease. So what does that mean? Basically means it's your undo. It's a really easy way to undo without having to do all kinds of craziness. Like Git is very complex. So they are phrasing this makes me think this is going to be simple and easy and make my life so much easier. So file comparison viewer, this you can compare code in Git. It's a built-in system that helps you see that. It's just not as user-friendly as other options can be. So it gives you a file comparison viewer and ability to roll back, which is awesome. It also gives you unique branch comparison tool. So in Git, it is super easy to lose track of where code is stored, which branch you're using. But according to this company, right, you have clear visual insights into which historic changes are similar, missing, or even duplicated between the different branches, right? So a branch is basically a subdivision of code where you are maybe fixing a bug or adding a new feature, and those sub branches roll back up into the one code, right? The one true code, and they just roll up like that. So that's what branches are for. They're for people to be able to work on multiple things at the same time and just kind of work together as a team, which is great when you have remote work, which I think it's wonderful. Programmers seriously can work remote 100%, and it's great. All right, so it gives clear insights and all that good stuff. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what it does. I'm going to show you a few screenshots here in just a moment. And supposedly it has easier staging. So what is staging? Staging basically is like, hey, here's these files. I want to put these files uploaded to GitHub or GitLab or wherever you're going to hold your source code. And I'm just going to add this file here and this file here and this file here. And I'm staging this, basically kind of prepping it so I can send it all at once. And so you're able to stage things. And you can even there's one command in Git where you can kind of, those Pez dispensers, right? Where you put a Pez in and it just kept going down, 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 right? You can do that too with it. So for staging. So you might be wondering, how much is this going to cost, right? It sounds a little too good to be true to make it get super easy. Yeah, that sounds wonderful, but I don't know, right? Well, first of all, they have a free version. Feel free to try it out. What I'm going to share with you is literally the lifetime access for every single upgrade that they ever have, and all of the it's a fantastic deal. And again, go to this link right here if you want to go check it out, right? Because I will also at this link be doing kind of like a walkthrough after I've had some time to get to really know it, so I can give you some tips and maybe some top favorite nifty things, right? So all of those videos are going to be on this page eventually as well. So be sure to definitely check it out. So how much is it? Well, before I give you how much this is, because it's actually really super affordable, PyCharm is a wonderful tool. I used it so much when I was working with Cisco, but it's a great tool. Minimum, if you want to use their special features, which it's really nice to use some of those special features, I gotta be honest, but 1 year subscription, not even lifetime, but 1 year for a PyCharm license, $199. That's almost $200 right off the bat. I don't think that includes taxes, but that's 1 year. Where if you want all the bells and whistles for that, it's like up to $649 a year. That's a lot of moolah, right? Especially if maybe you're brand new in the programming space and you're on the lower end of the spectrum, right? For salary or hourly, either way. Well, this tool, this affordable tool that I'm telling you about right now, is $69. Oh my gosh, it blew my mind because most really nifty software pieces are much more, as I just showed you with PyCharm. Now, the kicker about this is that it is an Appsumo product. If you don't know what Appsumo is, oh my gosh, let me tell you about Appsumo. Appsumo is amazing. There are so many people who are putting their products and services on there that are great. You need to have a Calendly type option where you can have video chats and people schedule, and maybe even they pay to schedule those things. Appsumo's probably got a product on there for you. And it's amazing. They also have like their membership program, or it's like $25 a year, I think, and you get like 10% off everything you buy. Everything you buy. If you purchase maybe 3 items in a year, maybe 3, you would make your money back. I'm almost positive that you would make your money back in 3 purchases at least. Maybe 4 if you get like the super cheap ones. But seriously, Appsumo is amazing. Go check it out. But my link that was at this one right here, my affiliate link, will take you to that. So, like I said, $69. You have to be their membership to have that one. But they have products on there all the time that you don't have to be a Appsumo member for. They're just a little bit, just a wee bit more expensive than if you got the membership, right? Just like any other membership you probably would ever get. Well, maybe not fitness, but anyway. So let me show you a little bit what this looks like. Sorry, I just heard. Yeah, anyway. So Vershd. Vershd. I don't know how you pronounce this, but I really, first of all, I love their logo. It makes me smile. I don't know why. But this is what it looks like. So to the untrained eye, this is probably super crazy, especially if you are not a developer. But already I can tell that this is going to be awesome. So you don't have to know the push and pull commands. You need to know create, merge, delete. You can change between, oh man, this is just great. Change between branches, different states, compare them. This looks awesome. The numbers over here are probably like edits and deletions, maybe files. Yeah, I don't know. But it's free. Like I said, it's on basically every platform. What did they say? Windows, Mac, and Linux, which that makes me chuckle every time I see that. They can show you, like, it gives you all the things, not all the things, but several of the things I was talking about earlier. You can see some of what it looks like, right? Clear, simple layouts, committing, not staging, all kinds of great stuff. So this is their website. Feel free to check them out. I have linked them on my blog post. So go ahead and go to prosperheart.com/Vershd. Vershd. I don't know. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Cassandra, aka the Prosperous Heart. My passion is to empower people to create greater success in their life, whether that's through digital marketing or programming or mindset, introduction to somebody. I truly believe that you were meant for greatness, and I want to impart whatever knowledge I can to be a bridge for you so that way you can condense time and heartache and stress into a shortened time so you can get to where you want to go faster. So thanks so much for watching with me today, sharing your energy. I really appreciate it. Hope you have a wonderful and prosperous rest of your day. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.